Hello students, let's study acid versus basis behavior. I look at the characteristics, examples and everyday uses of acids and bases. Acids which have sour taste, they have the ability to turn blue litmus paper red. They react with metals. Examples include citric acid, hydrochloric acid. Common applications include food preservation, cleaning products. And on contrast to acids, bases have bitter taste, slippery to touch, or they have soapy feel. Bases have the ability to turn red litmus paper blue. Examples include sodium hydroxide, ammonia. And the common applications of bases include household cleaning agents, personal care products. As you can see that there is a pH scale on which less than 7 is the acidic, and at the 7 point the pH scale is neutral, and above 7 the scale shows the basic nature. Did you know the human stomach contains hydrochloric acid for digestion? Antacid neutralize excess stomach acid to relieve heartburn. Lemon juice and baking soda can be used as natural cleaners. Sources of acids include malic acid obtained from apple, lactic acid obtained from milk, tartaric acid obtained from grapes, oxalic acid obtained from tomato. Sources of bases include sodium hydroxide, which are obtained from soaps, sodium carbonate from detergent, sodium bicarbonate from baking soda, calcium hydroxide from cement, ammonia from fertilizers, magnesium hydroxide for treating acidity, sodium chloride from toothpaste, and bases used in labs. Here is a diagrammatic demonstration of the difference between acids and bases. Acids turn blue litmus red, while bases turn red litmus blue. So HCl is an acid which dissociates into H positive and Cl negative ions. NaOH is a base which dissociates into Na positive and OH negative ions, while NaCl is a salt which dissociates into Na and Cl negative ions. See you in the next video. Till then, thank you.